think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Welcome, welcome everybody. This is GamerCat playing GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat plays Hearthstone. I'll get that right sooner or later. And once again, we are still attempting to get that last 3 Divine Shield characters that we need to complete the quest. Let's go ahead and get at it. That's why we're playing casual, by the way, now, because if we had started this whole thing playing ranked, we would no doubt be at the bottom of the barrel. Down at the bottom of rank 20, looking up at everybody. So let's not do that. Instead, we'll play some casual until we get this quest done. Sooner or later, I'll be able to show you me buying two packs of cards and then opening them up for you. I think I've done like about 8 videos this evening right now. So versus Gul'dan. Really dislike Gul'dan because I really don't like his power at all. I mean, here I'll show you in just a second. Here, I like that. That's good right there. We'll go ahead and keep these cards, especially because we have a Divine Shield one right there. But here's the thing with Gul'dan, his power. You draw a card and take 2 points of damage. Why would you do that? But anyway, I guess if you needed a card that badly. Day 1, we only have 2 to go. Yes. No. Now, if you're going to be like that, I will do. Don't have a weapon. Go ahead and do you and you. And then try to start damaging him real quickly because I don't want him drawing cards using his power. Which right now, I don't know. No, I work on getting people out there. Yeah, right there. I'd get him out there. And what I'm going to do next is him. Give my guys all +1 attack and then kill this thing. Go ahead and do that now. Damn it. Didn't give me enough. Well, let's do this then. And neutralize his field. And continue to do face damage. At this point, if I'm him, I'm not worried about using my power. Oh! What? Was that random? That's not to a random minion. So, and that's doing 4 points to a minion. So why not kill off the taunt creature? Let's keep the pressure up here. I can't attack this guy anyway, so let's keep the pressure up on him. He hasn't been using his hero power because it costs him life now. I'm wasting his life by killing him. Okay. Lock down the game some more. And some more. Locking down. Do not care. And that one. Again. Lots of locking down. He has to get 6 points on the board in order to clear off all my taunt. And don't care. So what I'm going to do is this. I can actually use some of my taunt here.
A critic.
Yeah, what the hell? There we go.
A critic. I fight.
You're gonna need. Are you still giving? Yep. You're gonna need that because, yeah. I've got you down by 17 points. Could this be a Reno Jackson deck? Yep. Very easily could be. Who knows? And you bet you want to do that because you're getting a little bit of health from him each turn, which I then have to kill. Okay, go at it. Gimme. Now what I would do is I would take out my taunt creature with him and take out this guy with him. I expected that's what's going to happen. Yep, there we go. Called it. And the problem is he doesn't have a whole lot more to deal with to do that with. Now, can I? There is our second Divine Shield.
Don't worry, love. The cavalry.
He's also got, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. Ow. We're going to do this. You. There we go.
Job's done.
Ow. Here's the thing. Am I possibly able to defeat this guy? I don't know. As it stands right now, he could wipe out my board and start hitting my face. Because, and also, by the way, he'll be getting his health back. It'll take him some time to get me whittled down though. So in that time, I might actually get the third. I might actually get the third Divine Shield character by the time he gets down, whittling me down through the 20s. Which is what I'm looking for. Oh my. Oh my. Hello. Kill stuff! Let's kill something. Boom. Actually, that does kind of help him out because he can now summon something. But, meh, don't care. Needed to kill something. Ouch. Full-on attack now to the face coming. This could be bad. Ow. Dead next turn. Come on, give me a Divine Shield. Give me a Divine Shield. Fuck. Oh, excuse my language. Oops. Oh well. See, what the worst I can do is that. And he's got me. We're close though. Next game we should get it. Alright, well. Getting closer. Even though we're losing. Anyway, as we wallow in our defeat here. Wallowing. Sorry. Anyway, if you enjoyed what you see, even if I'm losing, feel free to leave me a comment below. In the meantime, yep, see, we got one more. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.